Hi, I'm JC with Invisible Glass, and today we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get streak-free glass with the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool. Without the Reach and Clean tool, you're left up to the old way of doing things. We got to scoot up, reach around, break your back, all over your car. And the problem with this is when you're grabbing it like this, you're not making a flat surface like the Reach and Clean tool does, and that can lead to streaks. So to demonstrate, we already have a bonnet on this Reach and Clean tool. And to get, again, with back against the chair, I can reach the entire way down this windshield. And we actually want the flat part of the head down at the edge in the deepest part. This flat edge can reach the entire way across the bottom. And then you're gonna use the points to reach the corners, across the top, around your rear view mirror, around the perimeter, down the corner. And then you're gonna wanna drive your glass cleaner in vertical motions top down across your entire windshield. So that's the best way in one arm's reach to get your entire windshield. Typically, the inside of your windshield is not a very dirty spot. There's some off-gassing, especially if it's a new car. Smokers' cars or vape cars, they have some residues, things like that. You might have some dog prints or fingerprints, but luckily it's not a lot of heavy soils. So you don't want to over-apply glass cleaner. I prefer to spray directly onto the microfiber pad, so then there's no chance of overspraying your dashboard. Some people prefer that, and that's about all the amount of glass cleaner you need for a relatively clean windshield. Anything more than that, you're gonna have to pick up. Anything you put on your windshield, you're gonna have to pick back up with this microfiber. So start with a small amount, and again, use the technique we talked about. Go around the perimeters, around your rear view mirror, and then just drive that glass cleaner in vertical motions across the entire surface of your windshield. And again, if it's dirty, if it's a really dirty windshield, you might have to use it 2 or 3 times. If you're doing that, make sure that this bonnet is staying relatively dry. If it's oversaturated, you're never gonna get that last bit of glass cleaner and soil off of your glass. So if you need to change it, again, remember for a dry one, quick flip on a dry, and then that'll help get the remaining residue off. Again, only if you have a really dirty windshield. Also keep in mind that the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool works great on all hard to reach glass. So your rear glass, sunroofs, big truck glass, and all around your home. It works great in all these hard to reach locations. The Reach and Clean tool is also great for cleaning under side window deflectors. Other than that, those are the most common issues people have with this. Let us know how you like this tool.